Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Lourdes Donato, 29 years old, married. I have 3 children. I am high school graduate. I work as a domestic helper here in Philippines for 2 years. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and cooking.
Hi, Miss Lourdes. How are you right now?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Hardworking, loyal, honest, and trustworthy.
Since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
I will make myself busy at work.
Okay, so since you're already a mother, can you tell me the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Give them nutritious foods, vitamins, playing them, teach them, and love them as my own children.
What if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
I will say sorry and I promise I will not do it again.
Okay, so Miss Lourdes, do you have any message or promise that you want to share to the employer?
Please do hire me because I really need this job. I want to help. I want to give good future to my family. I will follow your rules and regulations, and I promise I will finish my 2-year contracts.
Thank you, Miss Lourdes, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.